Hello everybody. In today's video, I would like to show you something really quick, something that happened for me at work. Now it's over. It's like 5:40 p.m. So all good, all relaxed. But I think it's always good to show you if it does happen for you, what you should do. So in my case, what I did something that normally you shouldn't do, but sometimes you might have to. It's a git force, and how you can restore your branch. In my case, it was a development branch. I did a git force, and I wiped off a bunch of commits from this week of my teammates. So the last commit was the commit of last week, and that's not great. So of course, the very first thing you have to do is to communicate with your teammates to say, okay, I did this, don't worry, and we will find a solution. Second, we need to restore our branch. We need to restore where we were. So in my case, I'm going to simulate a bit the issue, testing for fun. It will be private, and we can even add with me. Perfect. So we have a branch here, and we will simulate more or less what happened in my case. So we will create also a development branch, so it will be more or less the same. Fortunately, it was a non-main branch, but there's always a solution, always, because you can always find out the last commit that were merged, the last commit that was merged into the specific branch. So in my case, it was development, the last PR that did merge the last commit into the development branch. It could be main as well. So we are going to clone that first. I'm going to zoom a little bit, and now I'm going to the terminal, and here I'm going to my desktop. It's just for fun. So here I'm going to do a git clone, just cloning my repository. Perfect. I'm going to again to cd inside, testing for fun. All right, here I am, and now inside of this repository, I'm going to create a new branch, git switch see my and here to be development. It will switch, so it will check out into that branch, and it will create the branch as well. That's why I have the C flag to create the branch. So now I have two branches, development and main. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create some commits. So let's do touch my file.txt or .tst, why not? And then I'm going to do echo blah 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 blah. It sounds like a child speaking to us, and we are going to add some text into it. It's good. So again, now if I commit, so I can do git add flag p. There's nothing because it's a new branch that hasn't been committed. Let's say add in some text or some text, why not? Or maybe I should oh no, that's okay actually. Some text, and I need to add it first, my file. Perfect. Add in some text with a S or some, and now let's say I'm going to add something else. La 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 la. Perfect. And now again to the file. So again I add something else. Yes. So adding more text, that's just we can actually create a loop in bash to have this done quicker. So now I'm going to create another file, so I don't need two arrows in this case because it's a fresh new file. Here, new file. Perfect. And now again, my new file, commit, add new file. Perfect. Oops. Quote. Awesome. Here we are. So now we have a few commits, as you can see. And now I'm going to do git push into there. Perfect. So I'm going to create again something else, another file probably. my file.txt. Hello friends. Awesome. And oops, I made a typo. Awesome. So, oh, sorry, my bad. Yeah, let's do my file. Perfect. My file.txt. Okay, awesome. That way. Oh yeah, sorry, I made it's Friday evening. I think I'm getting tired. New file. Awesome. Oh, I need to. Yeah, I'm getting tired. And now GGG, why not? And we are going to commit this. Now let's say I'm going to reset to 2 commits behind. So now my last commit is this one. And however, here, if I refresh and I'm going to development, my commit is that one, 5 commits. However, this commit, so let's find it. Oh, sorry, that's here, where it is. Okay, so that one. So I just reset to this one. This one, that's the one I have reset. So we have to be careful. So now I'm going to do a git push. Of course, here we don't have a branch, but let's say that we know this commit, or we can use some. Oh yeah, that's actually fine. We don't even have to copy. We could copy this commit, or what we could do use ref. There's a comment. So here first. Let's see here. Now I have done a big mistake. I'm on this commit, and a few commits have been erased from my teammates, let's say. And now we have a few things we can do. Either we know the commit, I can reset to this commit, or the second option is to do a git reflog. Yes, reflog, that's the name. It's the one I was thinking of, it's reflog. And there I can see that my last commit was GG, because reflog has all of them. Although here I'm on this one, adding some text. And GG and add new file, both of them have been deleted. So I can go back to this one, and or go into the commit I have in my clipboard, which is that one that has been removed. GGG. Oh, yeah, I still have it on GitHub actually, even though it's not on the development branch anymore. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, let's go to that one. So I can see this one, I can check it out. Oh, do I have something unmerged? Oh yeah, I do. So I will check out that one. That's the one that has been removed. What I can do now, I can do, there are a few options. The first one I would do is we can do git reset force to this one. Oh, we don't need git reset. Perfect. And now git push. Oh, yeah, git push origin development main. Perfect. And oh, that's still not what we. Wait, let me just make sure. GGG. Oh, it's because I'm checked out in there. Let's go back to development, and now let's do git reset to the commit that has been removed, and git push first, git push force, and now here I have again my commit. Oh my god, it's in there again, 5 commits. You see, as easy as that. So again, what you may have done, you remove now 3 commits. Oh my god, 3 commits. The last commit is this one, or even all of them. Let's do all of them, why not? And now git push force. Oh, I still have to. Oh yeah, I think that's okay. 1 commit left. I'm not sure if I can. Can I do git push here first? Yes, I can. Nice. So now I have nothing. Oh no. Oh yes, I still do. Oh. That's funny. Why I can't remove that commit? Oh no, apparently I can't. That would be even. Yeah, no, that's okay. Yeah, that's fine. So now I have nothing, but I can use git reflog, and I have all of the commits here. And the one I want to go back to, we can even go to the last one. So this one. So I can do git reset to that one. Nice. Git reset. Oh, I have to. Why? That one is still there. You see, my staging area is not clean, so I will remove that one. All right. Okay, now it's gone. Nice, nice, nice. And now what I can do, I can just do what I was about to execute. Git. We have to be always focused and in the flow, because it's easy to, lose focus. Like sometimes there's another error and then we don't remember what we were doing. So it's really important to stay in the flow, because there are so many context switchings, and especially when you have Slack, it's like, wow, so many distractions. Now here for this video, I have closed my Slack account, my Slack app, but otherwise it's like terrible. So now we do git push first, and now I should have again like 9 commits. Or oh, I'm back on development. That's why on main, sorry, and I'm on development. So wait, what happened? Oh no, something didn't git reflog. Oh yeah, sorry. That was it's not this one, because the last one is that one, isn't it? I think so. That's the one I want to go to. Yes. So git checkout, git reset. Sorry. Git reset. Yeah, that's fine. I will just remove those files. In the unstaged changes. Perfect. Okay, now it's clean. So now we can go back to git reset. Here we are, nearly there. I have a feeling something is not right now. I want to go back here. Okay, now we are fine. Now if I do git force, git push, that will not work, but I will have to do a git push force, and we should be again fine. Development. Let's see. Yes, we are. You see, 5 commits. You see, that's how you do it. So, like what I was, it's really nice to practice, and that way you will see how fun it can be to play with a branch and to see the few mistakes that can happen. It will happen during your work experience. You will have those kind of issues, and that's okay. You have to just to practice, so at least you know what it is. I'm still in development branch. I have only 1 commit. I do a get reflog. I see all of the commits here. I try to find the one. Yeah, it was commit GGG. Perfect. So head 16, git reset to that one, git push force, and again it will be restored. Yes, as easy as this. I hope this video helps, and I wish you a wonderful day.